Good morning, everybody. Magandang umaga. Buenos dias. I just want to remind everybody about a feature on YouTube to use for our ELL students for languages. So you go to YouTube and pick any lesson or any one that I've posted for you, like this one on acids and bases. Please put on the subtitles. Okay. So you click closed caption here, and that works even for people who'd like to read it in English a little bit more clearly. And even though I didn't make the subtitles, they're automatically generated. So they're not perfect, but they're better than nothing. And also, if you click settings, you can slow it down because I know often I talk too fast, other people talk too fast, and that can make it easier for you. So change the speed. And we also want to try finding the language that you're most interested in having. So let's say you want it in Filipino, you can see that it will translate nicely for you. Hope that helps. Paalam. Adios. Bye-bye. Au revoir.